So there's a few things that we have to do before we can decorate and rearrange the furniture. So because we have tile flooring, we need to be able to seal the grout, and we need to be able to do a lot of touch-up paint. So we have the paint, it's a flat paint. We're just gonna go over it real quick. It won't leave any brush strokes, but this is what we have to do. So all of these grouts have to be sealed. So we have a grout sealer. We have to do it here, and then even in the bathrooms in the shower area. And so we just have a lot of touch-ups to do from all the moving and stuff, and furniture and things have gotten banged and scratched. Totally fine, totally normal. We even have some marks on here from when we were figuring out how to hang the pictures. We've got the TV done. Unfortunately, we put a TV in the master bedroom. It turns on, but it's not connecting to the Roku remote. So we have another TV, and we're gonna replace it and see if that works. Hopefully it does, fingers crossed. We've got some more pillows and lamps. We couldn't find any nightstands that we wanted. We got a few lamps for nightstands. Got all the towels here. So see, we've taken stuff off the floor so we can grout it. So that's why the rugs are up there. And we're trying to get everything into place. This is one of the rooms. We have a teal room. We have to get some more screws to be able to fix this dresser for the hardware. Here's the table and chairs for the dining room. So it's coming together, but it just takes a while. Welcome to our condo tour. We are at our second condo, which is the Birkdale floor plan built by Lanai. I believe they are the largest home builder in the nation. And so if you haven't seen my other video on the first condo called the D'Angelo, go ahead and check that out. I'll put the link right here up above. Oh, there we go, right there. And you'll see that there are similarities. The flooring is the same, the tile is the same. It's an 18 by 18 inch tile. This condo is a little bit smaller. It's about 1,100 square feet. Only 2 bedrooms, no garage, no den. It only comes with one back lanai, no front lanai, but it does have a small storage unit. Over here, so as you can see, we have a long hallway as well. And over here is the master bedroom. So I went ahead and did the blue, whites, and gray here. I found these beautiful gray upholstered headboards at a company, kind of like Harbor Freight, but they're local here in Florida. And we hung up the TV. We have some gray matching curtains that match the headboard. And I already had those curtains, so I got to repurpose them. Again, we did the white comforter, pillowcases, and sheets, just so people know that all their linens are clean. This adorable blue dresser we just painted. We painted it to match the bedspread. This dresser we repurposed. It used to be brown, and so we went ahead and painted it light blue with these cute, adorable blue knobs. We bought more of these that we plan on hanging on each side of the bed above some nightstands, but we ran out of time, and we did not have the ceiling hooks that are required to hang this, but we're going to go ahead and get those hung up as soon as we get the hooks. And we'll go ahead and get some nightstands as well. We just couldn't find any. It's really hard to find furniture, you know, with all of the material shortages and stuff. So this is a really large room, as you can see. And of course it has its own attached full bathroom. Here's the window. So here we have a full walk-in closet. Here we have the linen closet. And here we have the master bathroom. It's a little bit smaller than the other condo across the street. But see, this one is also on the first floor, and it came with a shower door. So we did not have to add this one. We got this cute little decor at Pop Shelf. We added some more towel rods, and we got these cute little pots at Pop Shelf as well. So over here we have this beautiful gold round mirror. We got this at Ross. And over here underneath this beautiful archway, we have the guest bedroom and guest bathroom. I chose to do the colors in teal and white. And again, we have the same matching upholstered gray headboard. I just love how these colors turned out. We already had that photo, so I got to repurpose that in these pillows. Found this beautiful teal blanket to coordinate. We had the curtains, so we repurposed those. This beautiful tall dresser we found at Restore for $50. It was a bamboo color, and we painted these white, and I was able to paint the handles this beautiful teal color. Again, another Pop Shelf item with the little succulents. And over here is the guest bathroom that is exposed from the hallway, so anybody can use it. Have these gorgeous lush rugs. Bought some more toothbrush and soap holder. We did add the little towel rack here, and we do have another gray, yellow, and white curtain that I just love. And so we added those in. Back out to the main hallway. This again is just the HVAC. Here's the washer and dryer. All the units come with a washer and dryer. Here you can see our gorgeous kitchen and dining room and living room. So this room, I decorated it more boho chic from the last condo. And I will show you what we have. So I just love these colors, little splash of orange. Again, I really fell in love with the camel leather, so I bought these two side accent chairs, this gorgeous buffet from Amazon, put up the big screen TV, and I just love how the colors coordinate, the wood and the leather. We had this gray ottoman and gray couch set already, so we got to repurpose it. Same with the gray rug, but I found this beautiful rug with a gorgeous rust color in it. So I got this throw blanket to go with that, and these cute throw pillows. I believe I got these from Target. I just love throw pillows. I love throw pillows, curtains, rugs, and spray paint. I just love fixing anything with spray paint. And then we got these cute decor from Amazon. It says, it's hard to see with the glare, home is my favorite place, and it just has the right colors in them. Again, these pillows are from, the welcome pillows are from Amazon. I bought this only as a pillow case. Oh, sorry. These are from Target. I apologize. Target, and these are from Amazon. This just came with the pillow case, so I had extra pillows that I used for the cases. Same with those. This fun piece right here is from Ross, and it's kind of bright right now. We are going to add more shears because it just lets too much light in. So, but these are some shears that we hung up. These adorable side tables, they originally were meant for the teal room, but I put them out here because it needed some more decor, and it goes perfectly with the blue in my rug. And so I just loved having those together. And so there's a side table at each side of the couch. So there's our beautiful living room. And again, here is the gorgeous, huge island. Same with it's identical to the other condo. Same granite, same white Quaker cabinets, silver handles, stainless steel appliances. Here, we got these beautiful bar stools. Well, they're actually counter height. This is actually a 36-inch, not quite a bar height. But we got these beautiful chairs with this nice cushion from the same store as the upholstered headboards, which is similar to Harbor Freight. And then we got this beautiful dining room set from the same place as well. And so this is so cute. It comes with a leaf. So with the leaf, it's oval. If you take the leaf out, it's circle. And it even has, I just love the back of the chairs. Isn't that an awesome design? And right here, it even has a cute little drawer. So you can open that out and add more storage. This rug I already had, so I have to repurpose that. Same with these beautiful gray and white shears, we repurpose that. But here is my beautiful boho beachy feel light that I just love. Let's see what it looks like without the light. There you go. I just love this light with the little tassel at the end. So there's that. I just realized that it's kind of dark in here because I have all the blinds closed. So let me open up some of the blinds. And then over here, I'll show you our other buffet. So we bought these beautiful beach canvases. So, the ones on the side are from Amazon, the one in the center is from Hobby Lobby. And this one is 3D also. You can see this, the rock and the stone and the straw. I just love what that looks like. And then of course we got this matching hutch from Amazon. Eventually, so this set is actually two separate pieces. They come apart right here. Eventually we'll put one piece to that side and one piece to that side and put a board across so it'll have an opening in the middle to make a desk. So that's a future plan. We just couldn't get to it yet. So when these renters move out, we'll go ahead and do that. There's the light again. I just love that light, the beaded light. Here is our back lanai. It's kind of sunny, but you'll see how we set it up. Our cute little hello sunshine. And our cute little rug, green rug with the leaves, the palms, and the palm leaves, and the chairs. We also have a gray wicker table that will go here, but we haven't brought that over quite yet. So that is everything. Hope that you guys enjoyed the tour, and I'll keep you posted on more. Have a great day.